Lock 'em up, put 'em in an instant.
Yo, here we go, 1, 2. Woo! Here we go, 1, 2. Make no mistake, son, I bring the awesome solo and still taking on the foursome. Stepped around the corner on this cat, I lost him. Confronted with these serious skills and it'll cost him. Break it down. Don't wanna be your favorite. I rhyme half time so fine, no need to save it. Related to the mic like this nigga named David. I want no negative vibe. Shout it out. I'm an echo bouncing off the wall. Make 40 mil, son, while you're having a ball. Publicized like speakers in the house, my team. I went hands down, son, it's just routine. Mad friction, just trying to land your ship. You should've came well equipped, what's your manuscript? You're getting tired, you need substitution, son. Sit your ass down, let your boy get some run. You know I see, got eyes in the back of my head. You be sleeping on this nigga like crumbs in your bed. Must I jab you, hold you down and attack you? Stick it in your skin like some whack ass tattoo. Off you for life, son. You catch the vehicle, don't need a knife, son. I use these lyricals. I flip scripts, got you open like some corn chips. It's a slaughter in these waters, watch me sink ship. I got techniques to whip from the tip top. Stop, you still catch a drip drop. Genuine, I write mine to bend spines. Bad routines, dope beats, and fat lines. Skills worth talking about. Bad breath screaming, jumping out your mouth. Raw like carpet burns. Watch and learn. You had your turn, you need to man the stern. I'm out to earn, from ash to earn. Inject the worm and release the sperm. Son, I've been talking this shit for years. Brought tears to you so-called rappers with no fear. I'm what you call envy, master envy. From the man to the main dynasty. I'm set, son, catching wreck, son, like a vet, son, jet, son. I know your ass betting on this bet, son. What's the deal? What you doing at this park? Forgot how I slammed it in your face like Barkley.